Hi everyone, welcome. Myself, Guru Raj. For 10 years of IT industry experience into software testing, worked on telecommunication and service-based companies and also startup-based companies into different roles. That's from manual testing to automation architect. Worked most of the time on a QTP, Selenium, Sahi, Vatir, and a lot of other open source tools. Coming to the training experience, 1 year, 6 months of training and trained over 220 professionals for freshers, manual testers, developers, lead managers, and successfully delivered 10 corporate trainings, 8 workshops, and 5 public trainings. So companies trained like Sapient, Cisco, Infosys, Intuit, Razorsight, Yahoo, Data APM, and Theorem and Exchanging companies. Coming to the Selenium syllabus, before jumping into it, let's talk about the objective of the course. At the end of the Selenium course, the participant will be able to understand the Selenium WebDriver tool in depth, its features and the components, write a good automation script according to the industry standards, create robust and reusable scripts with a framework implementation. The suggested audience would be the course is intended for beginners or intermediate testers or who are very keen to learn Selenium. They can easily jump into this course. But there is some prerequisite and must have. So while previous testing tool knowledge is not required, but if it is there, it might help somewhere. And must have knowledge on core Java, and also good to have some basic concept wise on HTML, CSS, DOM, XML, and JavaScript. Coming to the syllabus, introduction to Selenium first, and the second would be a locator strategy. We'll talk more about Firebug and Firepath and different locating strategy for all the given web element scenarios. And third would be WebDriver concept and function in practices, limitation and common test automation challenges that we face in today's industry, advanced WebDriver, TestNG and Ant, a live implementation of data-driven frameworks, uh, also the hybrid-driven framework. SV and Maven, these two are repository, and Maven is a build tool. We'll talk more about this. And also at last would be Jenkins. Jenkins is a continuous integration tool. So once we are done with everything, what we'll do, we'll take a case study and start implementing from scratch. Okay. The high-level course would look like this. I told already. So this is something like we'll talk about IDE, record and playback. These are the different scenarios, like how to attach a file, download a file, what are the listeners, what are the advanced WebDriver, TestNG. We'll go in depth about TestNG, how to run a test, batch run, TestNG reports, a live implementation of data-driven frameworks, hybrid-driven framework, SVN, Maven, and Jenkins. And I also told once you are done with this, it's good time to go with a case study. We'll take a case study of a quicker or probably any other tool and start automating or developing a framework from scratch. Thanks for watching the video.